Yo, what the fuck is up? I just making digicore for my different channel, new channel that I'm blowing up currently. This is a brand new channel, so I just felt like I'm gonna record my process because it's really effortless for me, and I wanna show you how to like approach making type beats every day. So I just made this simple progression. We're gonna be using just my kit from Still Miss You multi-kit. It's gonna be released anytime soon. And I think I'm gonna just use my favorite VST, which is Electra X, maybe some Serum, with my presets that I made as well. So BPM is 160 and we have this like bass progression on the lead. Let me show you. I'm gonna like hold the mic. When I make something, I'm gonna just talk there. So actually for the bass, I'm gonna use Serum, which I have like the bass preset that I made. And we are gonna make some ARP with some lead, I think, and then I'm gonna cut the like the bass frequencies from the bass and lay it down with some 808. Tip: if you actually want to like see your scale, and you made some progression and you want to see in which scale is this, just pull up auto key and just play it. Okay, so it seems like it's A sharp minor, right? No, it's not. Maybe that's... so fuck me, I guess. It's insisting that it's A sharp minor, which it is not. So through my deduction, it's gonna be actually D sharp minor. So fuck auto key, I guess. And let me just start from there. Yeah, so the lead is kind of done. Like the best tip I can give you is just spam notes which are on the close to each other, so B and A sharp, and just fill in with 6th or 7th notes, like the chords, and then just like fucking see what's good. Like here, make some adjustments to just make it sound different each time it repeats, and like on the last bar, and just freestyle some melody. I think that's fine, so we can just progress from there. And I want to layer it with some kind of trance gate, so let me just pull up Electra for this. And I think the last kind of, for the melody, the last element, the trance gate gives us, for the EDM beats, this is so underrated. Trance gate in the place of the pad. This is like my secret sauce. I think like one lead will be enough. Maybe I will layer this main lead with some kind of plug, but I will see. Cool little simple trick for the like leads, like here. If you wanted to glide like this and it's not turned on, I have this turned on in my lead already, but you can select the porta here and like those settings, mono legato always, and then it can slide like from one note to another, because when you use like the slide option, it will just fuck up. It does not work in external VSTs. So this is pretty much the whole melody. I layered this with a key from my bank. This as well, like I just made it. If you make a melody, just don't overthink it. Like you can always go next. I just freestyle it. I think it's pretty good. So let's just hear all the melodies together. And from there I can just route them to my mixer track. So let's do that with my mixer preset. If you press Ctrl, Shift and L, you will link them all together. So like this, and just create a new track. Select all with Ctrl, and you can pull up the melody bus. I will turn off the sidechain right now. And I'll add a EQ to actually layer with it with 808. So I'm gonna just use the basic EQ. This preset will be also in my pack. This pack is specially made for you to just make the beats like really fucking fast, so you know. So I actually don't like how this EQ sounds on the bass channel altogether, so I will separately like EQ all my melodies. So that's like, I think it's now done. All the melodies are EQ'd. I just correct them later. I don't really care like that much. I don't spend this huge amount of time on EQing all my sounds. They are good from the go. So I just make this go down. Maybe like tweak it later. If I hear like I want to just see with 808 how it sounds, and sometimes I just boost the high frequencies because this sound needs it. There are two sounds, like three types of sounds. There are sounds that sit on the low end, that sit on the middle range and high end, so I separate them like this. And sometimes it is really nice to just not bass process them and like EQ them separately. So this is why I don't spend like much time tweaking all the melodies before, because I always like make the adjustments later, and I like might fucking do a pitch wheel altogether for the whole bass. I might tweak this later, I might tweak this flanger amount. I do a lot of shit, so I don't like I mix on the spot, and I recommend you do that as well. And you always have to like have your channel organized, so you know where it is, where the fucking why it's mixed like that, so you can always like make some adjustments, right? So let me just make simple jumps, and I think we are finished with only the arrangement remaining. The jumps are pretty much done. I don't want to like make them really complicated because the melody is already pretty complicated. The couple tricks like I used here, when you hold Alt, you can like root the like change the order of the tracks, so this is really helpful. And I like those two open hats to exchange, so one is playing and then the other. And yeah, I like use MIDIs. This is pretty useful if you like just making beats fast. So now I'm gonna just mix it, and then we can go on to arrangement. Also, I will try like transposing it, because I think it might sound better on the higher note. Also neat little trick, if you have like your own melodies and 808 or a bass selected, you can use the preset from my drum kit as well, which is basically just the sidechain. I have this on the melody here, so let me just pull it up. You click here, sidechain to this track on the kick, and if you got this on audio, go to processing, select kick, and then we have it like it's all sidechaining, and when the kick is playing, the melodies will also duck, so you can tweak it like here. Oops. So I want just this like little slight effect. Let me just mix all my drums together with also my preset. So the mixing is done, now our 5-bar loop is done. I might speed it a bit, like 165. And let's just go to arrangement. Arrangement also pretty simple, 9-bar intro. I have a whole separate video for arrangement. Yeah, and for the mixing, bass, just EQ, Camel Crusher, Effector to just make the drums more crunchy. And pretty much that's it.
I hate in vain.
So pretty much the beat is done. As you can see, like I made some stuff here. So, but this is really simple if you like just break it down on the separate parts. So we have intro here, then there is my tag with another melody. Then there is a riser, crash every 8 bars to just make the switch up, and here I decided to cut off the bass. You have like this cuts in the end of the bar to just make it more interesting. Like I decided to cut off the bass because the low end was fucked up, and I switched the bass sound as well, the 808 sound. And then there is the kick, the melody is switching up again. Here we have no kick, again just snare, maybe just like fuck this closed hat. Maybe we can do it like this. Here you could do again breakdown, to make things more interesting without any like jumps whatsoever. And here is just like this dance part with just kick and snare playing, and then everything repeats once more. All of this was made basically with one sound from Electra, and like all of rest is like my drum kit. So I really recommend it. Like I use it pretty much for all of my beats right now. It can be very easy to make beats every day, to make beats fast. Don't be fooled by this like fucking guys who just saying that you have to wait for the inspiration or so. No, just fucking make beats, bro. Let me see the project time. 35 minutes speaking with my breaking down all this stuff. So this is really realistic to make beats every day like this. Look at the biceps, bro. No, maybe like here. Look at the biceps, bro. So this is everything from my side. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. I will be slightly editing it. If you want any help with making beats, getting girls, going to the gym, building a physique, the first link below is my community. Last thing, actually, I forgot to fucking play the beat, so here it is. Listen, this is really beautiful.
I hate in vain.